Hey guys, so today we will be installing a window.
Alright, step one, remove any of the plastic that's on the side of the window frames. Step two, guys, find out what's the top of the window and what's the outside of the window. Step three, cut out the sarking. And step four, dry fit your window. Dry fit means just don't fix anything off. Yep, that's pretty good. 5, take just your normal framing nail and pack out either side of the frame. So use your nail to adjust it. Step 6, just drill out the aluminium for your nail heads to go through. Step 7 is make sure your frame's plumb. 8, drill out the aluminium. Step what? 9.
We forgot the steps, guys, so we'll just continue recording.
There's a lot of steps. Whatever you do, don't hit the frame. Sometimes it's hard.
And for good measure, just take the bottom rope. That's pretty good. Make sure you got nothing in the way.
The most important part to get right when you're installing a window into a timber frame house is the window flashing detail used around. A lot of people use drip trays. We don't, just because we believe there's a horizontal transition that the water can get into. This is the stuff most people use, this stuff. It's quite shit.
Flimsy, yeah.
Flimsy. So this is the stuff that we use. As you guys can see, it's very tarry. I'll show you when I take it off. So the first line that we do is the bottom. So we open it up, we measure how much we need, up to there. Try to do a nice break. The second flashing tape that we always put is on a 45, and if you follow me into this, you'll see why. So we come into a 45, right into that corner, and we let it overhang a bit, and we just press it down. This tape with heat will become not removable. See how it looks? Tuck it in nicely. While you're already up on the ladder doing the vertical, you might as well do the 45, okay? Tuck it in nicely and press it over. This tape can mold to the shape. Okay? Cool, let's do the other side. Alright guys, because this is a weekend job, we don't have all the tools, but I'll get the boys on Monday. We've got a little roller that rolls over this to make sure everything is very tight. But basically this is the detail that you get. So you got a 20mm gap in here that the Newport will sit on. Any water will get into there, but that's all sealed, aluminium. And then the water will come down here, and I'll show you a side angle. And then basically coming down here, and then it goes down, the water will trickle down all the way, and it would end up down the sarking all the way down.